Hey, good morning. Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach here. I want to take a few minutes of your time to walk through this brokerage 290 Sea Ray Sun Deck outboard, year model 2016. I've got blue hull, bottom paint, twin 250 horsepower Mercury Verados with joystick piloting, a couple lounge seats with compartments in the middle. This boat at anchor is an awesome place to entertain. You can transom remote control for your stereo. You've got a wet box here for dropping dock lines, tow ropes, that kind of stuff, or it can be plugged and used for a cooler. Stepping on board, you can tell you got vinyl flooring that's in good shape. You got this huge L-shaped lounge in the cockpit, upgraded stereo, subwoofer, tower speakers, refrigerator, small wet bar with solid surface counter. You've got storage underneath this seat and storage underneath this seat. This aft seat is where your batteries and battery switches are located. In-deck storage, that's where your full canvas enclosure is currently stored. Moving up, you've got a double companion seat and a double helm seat. Both of them have flip-up bolsters, and the backrests rotate forward, so if you're at anchor entertaining, this whole cockpit area is facing aft. This boat is equipped with the active trim, which puts the motors at the right angle, right attitude for running. Again, you've got your precision pilot controls here and joystick for joystick piloting. It's going to give you skyhook and auto heading. Right now, hours are reading 205.3 and 205.4 hours. Owner is continuing to use this boat until it sells. He is moving up is the reason this boat is for sale. Over here you got a head compartment. This boat is equipped with a vacuum flush head system. You see the head there and the vanity down below. Moving forward, you've got two lounge seats with backrest and armrest. These are very comfortable, good place for the family to sit while underway. This boat does have anchor with a windlass system. Both of these cushions on either side of the boat are hinged and fold up in good storage. Show you the backrest here, backrest there. You just grab one of these. See the storage down below. Again, Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. This boat's listed with us on brokerage. It is kept at the owner's dock, so please call to schedule an appointment. Best way to reach me is on my cell phone at 910-264-4818. Hope you have a great day. Thanks.